Headlights work nice and quick. High beams, fogs, all work. Close nice. Good horn. Signals work. Indicators are down there, as is the high beam. Oh, digital dash. You control the two options here. We got oil pressure or oil temp, coolant temperature or voltage or off, range, trip odometer, English or metric, instant fuel rate, mile per gallon, that's as you drive. Averaging 7.5 this morning. It's been idling a lot, sitting. Aftermarket radio with Bluetooth. Good sound. Disc, aux tuner, disc, aux tuner. So maybe it is not a Bluetooth, but you do have your aux in, and I'm betting there's a USB behind the dash you could probably hang down there and plug a cord into. Although it does say phone here. Bluetooth in, so it does have Bluetooth. Okay. Modern. All right. Heat and air. Put it into low here so you can see all the controls. Rear defrost. Front defrost. Nice and warm. Worked great this morning driving out here. Vent. Switches to that. Works good. Bi-level AC. Yep, that's working. Max AC. A little bit of foam came out of the vent there. It's normal with these cars that sit around. High, low, medium, all work. I'll put it back into frost on low. It is still cold here. Day and night flipper works. This visor. Lights do not work. And the visor needs a little help staying up. This one's in good shape. Stays up nice too. Showing 45,141 miles on the odometer. All gauges are working. Got your full glass T-tops here. Includes the jack, the front license plate cover if you don't need to run a front plate. Let's see. Power mirrors, power windows, power seat. That's a manual seat. Power locks. Wipers. The mist works, the wipers work. There it goes. Okay. We'll test cruise control out in the drive. And I think that about covers it. Rear release buttons work on both doors for the rear hatch. Reverse. This was a local trade-in out of Marion, South Dakota. Bought new here too, it looks like, according to the paperwork. Owned by a lady that worked at a bank. Just kind of her dream car. She got it and then put 45,000 miles on it. Slight wind noise out of the T-top. That's 55 miles an hour. Gauges look good. We got 47 pounds of oil pressure. Temperature is coming down right at 195, 194. Averaging 7.6 miles. See what our range is at half a tank. Range is 49 miles with that average fuel. So it'll just go up as you drive on the highway. Brakes work great. No rear axle noise or dragging brake sounds or anything like that. Mechanically sound Corvette here. Accelerates nice and strong. Alright, there's 65. We'll get to the top of the hill and we'll click on the cruise control. Well, it doesn't look like you got cruise control on this one. But with that nice tone, you'll want to be in charge of the gas pedal. Doing 70 at just over 2,000 RPM. All right, well, that'll do it for this car. Check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, leave a comment or give us a call. If you don't see it online, give us a call anyway. We'll let you know if it's still available or if we got something similar. And we'll keep these car videos coming. Hop on YouTube and like, subscribe, share, comment, watch another video. All those things help our channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.